Ever wonder what it feels like to trade your alarm clock for the sound of waves gently kissing the shore? We just unlocked that secret. Forget about your calendar and your to-do list. We're about to show you a place where the only thing on the schedule is pure and complete relaxation. It's day 21, and if you've been following along, you know I've been on the road, exploring some of the most epic spots on the island. But today, I'm putting the brakes on and just letting the island work its magic. The perfect spot for this is Lashings Beach Club and Hotel in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Now, this isn't your typical fancy resort. It's a small, super laid-back place where the vibe is just pure chill. How chill, you ask? The reception desk is also the bar. This is my first time seeing something like that. It's that kind of place where you just know you're on Jamaica time. The whole place has this cool, rustic country beach vibe. There are hammocks and tons of spots to just sit and relax. They've got a restaurant, a bar, a pool, and of course, direct access to the beach. Plus, they even have a little shop that sells souvenirs and natural products. The best part is you don't even have to be a guest to come and enjoy the beach club. So you can just stop by for the day and soak it all in. They even have bathrooms and changing rooms for people who want to enjoy the club and are not guests of the hotel. But if you are a guest, you get a free drink upon check-in, and they can plan tours for you within the parish, like trips to YS Falls, Black River Safari, Pelican Bar, and more. I spent the day just relaxing, waking up, hitting the beach, grabbing some food, taking a nap, and doing it all over again. Watching that sunset from the beach with a cold drink in hand is pure bliss. The rooms are spacious and have a rustic design. And Lashings has another hotel in Treasure Beach that's not on the beach, and that one has a gym and amazing sea views. So if you're looking for a place to unplug, unwind, and just be, Lashings is definitely the spot. Tell me in the comments, what's your perfect chill day like in Jamaica? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on what we're uncovering next.